For decades, artificial intelligence has revolutionized our way of life. From voice recognition to autonomous driving, AI is shaping our world. But what exactly is artificial intelligence? It's the ability of machines to mimic human cognitive functions, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. With AI, we have tools capable of analyzing massive amounts of data in an instant, predicting diseases, personalizing our online experiences, and even exploring new scientific frontiers. However, AI raises ethical questions. How do we ensure transparency and fairness in its decisions? How do we protect privacy and maintain control? The future of AI depends on our ability to strike a balance between innovation and responsibility. Join the fascinating journey of AI, where technology meets humanity to shape a promising future.